Okay, for those who were talking about the Shadow Fight 2 not working or Shadow Fight 2 running down or Shadow Fight 2 is taken down, this is a video for you. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and also share this video to your friends. So we are going to work on Shadow Fight 2 when you're finding any problem on your Shadow Fight 2 game. So what you have to do is to go to your phone menu and search for Google Play Store, or if you are using an iOS device you have to search for Apple Store. So tap on the Play Store or your Apple Store on your phone. After that, go to that search app over here. I'm in this section. Yeah, so tap over here and you are going to see your keyboard. So what you have to do is to type in Shadow Fight 3. So when you type in Shadow Fight 3, tap on it. So when you tap on it, what you have to do next is you have to click on the update section over here. You have to first update it. So if you find play over here, which is play over here, you have to go back. So when you go back, go to your phone menu again and search or look for your settings on your phone. So when you see your settings over here, just tap on it. So when you tap on the section, which is the settings section, what you have to do is to search for apps and preference, or apps and notifications. So tap on it. So wait for it to load as you've tapped on it. So guys, when it's load like this, what you have to do is to tap on see all apps. So tap on the see all apps. After that, wait for it to load. It's loading. Okay, so as you can see, it's loading. So you have to you have to wait for it to load. It will loading. It will finish just right now. My apps are a lot on the phone. I have 300 plus apps on my phone. That's why it has delayed. So boom, as you can see, it has done, or it has finished with the loading. So what you have to do is to search for Shadow Fight 3. Okay, so Shadow Fight 3 is here. So tap on the Shadow Fight 3. And after that, what you have to do is to tap on storage and cache. When you tap on storage and cache, what you have to do next is to tap on clear cache. And after that, you tap on clear storage. So when you tap on clear storage, it's going to clear the storage. And after that, what we have to go back and click on force stop. So when you click on force stop, then you click on OK. After that, what you have to do next is for you to restart your phone. You have to restart your phone. You get me? Yeah. So you have to tap on the restart section, or you have to tap on your power button for 3 seconds for you to off it and on it back. After that, when your phone is on, what you have to do is to tap on the Shadow Fight 3 app, and it's going to work successfully for you. Thanks very much for watching this video, and don't forget to share this video to your friends. See you in my next video, and don't forget to subscribe. Okay, comment down below if you have any question, and that's it. Thanks very much.